Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we're going to walk through how to get a Maldives tourist visa in order to travel to Maldives. Before I proceed further, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please now subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Maldives immigration website where they clearly say that this visa is granted on arrival to all nationalities. Okay, so that means you don't need to take any pre-approval for the visa when you travel to Maldives, but however, there are certain requirements that you must be met. Otherwise, an airline can also deny your entry. Okay, you should have a passport with at least 1 month validity. You have complete travel itinerary, including confirmed return ticket or onward ticket. And also you should have like proper documentation to go to the onward destination you are going. So for example, if you are an Indian citizen traveling on Indian passport, and if you're going back to India, then that's fine because your passport itself is the way to get into. But from there, if you're going to UK, you need to have a relevant visa, right? That's what. You need to submit this traveler declaration form, okay? Up to 96 hour means it can be submitted up to 96 hours before arrival, okay? I've already made a video for this. All right, yellow for vaccination if applicable. Okay. All right. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.